Oh, your
Good to
piece.
see you.
Let me tell you on camera, I loved your piece that you did. So
Thank
sweet.
you so much.
Okay, yeah.
And your energy was so much fun. And
Hi, I'm Nia Vardalis, and you're watching CelebrateGreece.com.
What happened since my big fat Greek wedding?
Like I never left.
My father passed away, and his last wish was for us to visit his childhood village and reconnect with our roots. Visit his childhood village.
In Vromovrisi, dirty faucet.
that's what it means.
Home, Greece. It's north of Kalamata. This is my grandfather's, on my father's side, his village. Beautiful Cypress Valley, basically. Really nice.
Over the years, Nia, Cynthia, and I have talked about things like my grandfather's village, Vromovrisi, and the fact that our mothers grew up together in Canada.
Say hi to everybody in Winnipeg, and my mom and dad are down there.
The Greeks are all waiting for you. My mother-in-law is from Winnipeg.
Right,
And
of course.
so
Yes,
they
we remember
all-
them well.
This is so wonderful. I'm here with Nia's parents, Gus and Doreen. And you guys have been in every one of Nia's movies. And in Big Fat Greek Wedding, what scene you were
I was the
having?
chanting at the church
Yes.
and at the reception.
Fantastic. Great. And how do you feel about your daughter and this incredible success?
We're happy for
Proud,
her because
yeah.
she's doing what she enjoys.
What's to come in my Big Fat Greek Wedding 3? This time, we're headed to the homeland. We're going to Greece.
Oh, yeah?
All of y'all been wanting that.
The family is invited to a Portokalos Family reunion and have a one-of-a-kind adventure in Greece. This film is filled with lots of fun and lots of heart, and I can't wait for you to see it.
Hi, I'm Nia Vardalis, and you're watching CelebrateGreece.com. Why are you home? You should be out at the movie. Get up.
Get out. Opa!